this is Rishi Nandhan from batch DW19. I'm an automobile engineer, had like zero experience on coding. GUVI helped me a lot to build my profile and portfolio, and they taught me from scratch. So it was very helpful. They had like programming skill sessions and doubt clarification sessions where they teach us everything on the Python, which are very important. And the support team was very helpful and awesome. They used to clear me the doubts whenever I called them or text, and the thing was so extraordinary, the journey traveling with GUVI. And it is actually a self-learning process also. We can't depend only on the course. We have to have some drive to learn new things, and it is very helpful. And this was the best decision taken by me in a long period of time, and I'm very happy with the course which I am learning.